recommendation engine, which is a content based recommendation engine. It takes abstract and title from the research paper and suggests some more relevant research paper as per your search and as per your click. So we have here model. I've used similarities and vectorization method like bag of word, tf, idf, and word to vec. If we choose any one of them, it will take that model. And here we have three things for recommendation preference, which is one is title, second is abstract, and third is it take both title and abstract for recommendation and getting the insight for the recommendations. Okay, and here we have some research paper, uh, and whenever I click on uh, uh, here click me, so it will recommend some research paper. And before that we have to select some technique, like I choose tf, idf, and let's choose feature as title and abstract, so it will take a insight from both. And I'm clicking here. So here we have our recommendations on the basis of this uh, abstract and title. So here we have a similar kind of research paper. So this is how it work. If I change the technique, let's switch to word to vec and click on something else, add a fusion. So yeah, here we have results. So this is how it work, and I've created this UI and backend with the help of Django in Python language. Thanks.